Gautam Buddha life story. He was one of the most respected people in history. His teachings have inspired of people around the world. Buddha showed people the path of peace, kindness, wisdom, and a simple life. Buddha was born as Siddhartha Gautam around 563 BCE in Lumbini. He was born in a royal family. His father was a king. Siddhartha had everything as a prince, but he still felt that something was missing. When Siddhartha grew up, he saw things that changed his life. He saw an old man, a sick person, and a dead person. He understood that pain and suffering are part of human life. He also saw a peaceful monk and became curious about finding true happiness. At the age of 29, Siddhartha left his palace and family. He wanted to discover the meaning of life and find a way to end suffering. He traveled to many places and learned from different teachers. He lived a very simple life and practiced deep meditation. After many years of searching, Siddhartha sat under a Bodhi tree and meditated. He promised not to leave until he found the truth. After deep meditation, he reached enlightenment and became known as Buddha, which means the enlightened one. After becoming Buddha, he started teaching people. His teachings were simple and easy to understand. He taught that people suffer because of desire and attachment. He said that peace can be found through good thoughts, good actions, and self control. Buddha taught for the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. These teachings guide people to live with honesty, kindness, and wisdom. He encouraged people to avoid anger, greed, and hatred. Many people became his followers. Buddha traveled from place to place and shared his message of love and peace. He believed that every person could improve their life through understanding and right actions. Buddha's teachings are still important today. People read his lessons and practice meditation to live a calm and balanced life. His message teaches us to be kind, patient, and respectful toward others. One day Buddha was walking with his followers. A man came and started shouting at him. The man used many rude words and tried to make Buddha angry. But Buddha stayed calm and quiet. After some time, Buddha asked the man, "If someone gives you a gift and you do not accept it, who does the gift belong to?" The man answered, "It still belongs to the person who gave it." Buddha smiled and said, "In the same way, I do not accept your anger. It stays with you." The man became silent. He realized his mistake and felt sorry. Buddha told him, "Anger hurts the person who keeps it. Peace makes life better." The man thanked Buddha and promised to become kind, stay calm, and do not return anger with anger. Buddha was not only a teacher but also a guide for humanity. His life shows that true happiness does not come from wealth but from inner peace and wisdom. His teachings continue to inspire people all over the world.